Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to enable the mouse cursor in case in your laptop or desktop mouse cursor is missing. For this I will show you how to solve this. First go to the run. Here you need to type device management.msc and press enter and press the tab button in the keyboard. Now need to find mice and other pointing devices here. Mice and other pointing devices and press the right arrow mark and you will get the touchpad and component mouse. Two options will be coming. Press the HID component mouse, press the control button and enter. It will open one window. Now again press the tab button, go to the general and the next option is called driver and again press the tab button. Here you need to uninstall device and press enter. Now the mouse driver has been uninstalled. Again you need to go to the touchpad option is there, press the control and hit enter. Now again press the tab button and right arrow and again press the tab. You need to uninstall device and press the space for the delete the driver software for this device and again press the tab button to uninstall, press enter. Now the system settings change. To finish, remember you must restart your computer. You need to restart your computer, then your problem will be solved. In some of the laptops what happens is in the keyboard there will be one button called press F5 for disable the mouse cursor. For this you need to hold the function key and press the F5 button. In some of the laptops F5, in some of the laptops F6, F7 is there. While pressing the function keys, you need to hold the function key button in the keyboard. Okay, after this you need to restart the computer. Your problem will be solved. Okay, thank you.